Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going on a magical adventure to discover the wonders of plants in our very own garden. In the garden, you might find some buzzing bees, some flapping butterflies, and lots of yummy, healthy vegetables like tomatoes or onions. Today, we'll learn about the incredible magic that happens in the garden every day. Are you ready? Let's go! Our adventure begins with a tiny seed. Can you guess what's inside? That's right! It's a baby plant waiting to grow. But it needs some special things to help it grow big and strong. What do plants need? That's it. Plants need sunlight, water, and soil to grow. It's like their own magical recipe. Look how our tiny seed grows into a beautiful plant with leaves and flowers. Isn't it amazing? The sun provides warmth, and the rain gives our plants a refreshing drink. Just like how we need food and water, plants need sunlight and rain to be healthy. Since plants don't have a mouth, they get their food from sunlight instead. Just like magic. Now let's pretend we're plants. Everyone stand up and reach for the sky like a growing plant. Can you feel the sunshine on your leaves? And now sway side to side like leaves in the breeze. Great job, little gardeners. Our plant friends also have beautiful flowers. Did you know that flowers are like nature's way of saying, "Hello, I'm here"? They attract helpful insects like bees and butterflies. Bees and butterflies help our plants make seeds so we can have more plants in the garden. It's like a fantastic teamwork party. Well, that's it for today's magical adventure in the garden. We learned how plants grow with the help of sunlight, water, and soil. Next time, we'll explore even more wonders of the natural world. Thanks for joining us, little explorers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun. Bye-bye.